What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be jumping back onto the RZR build. I know it's been a little bit since we've worked on it, and it did take a little bit longer to get a bunch of these parts that we needed to complete this RZR because of everything going on in the world right now. But we got all those parts over here and we're ready to go ahead and start back and jump into this thing. Alrighty guys, so we're over here at the parts table, and as you can see, there is a bunch of parts laid out right here. And so what we're going to do right now, we're going to go ahead and grab everything to go ahead and start rebuilding our piston. So this is what we're going to need right now. So now let's go ahead and jump back over to the table and start putting these pistons together. Unwrapped, our buddy Luke's gonna go ahead and throw the piston onto the connecting rod so we can go ahead and start getting this thing back together. Alrighty guys, since we got the pistons all put together, we're gonna go ahead and put them into the combustion chamber so that way we can get along and put the head back together.
His dad doesn't want Dylan near on him because he's afraid the guy's going to come put his baby down and kill his baby grandmother.
Does he even know?
So he talks to him.
this video right here, but stay tuned because pretty soon we're going to be jumping on and getting the head back onto this motor, and then we should be able to get that thing back into the RZR and see if it is able to go out and rip. So stay tuned for that, but please be sure if you like this video to please hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe. Peace!